Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I am Gina Burnett. You are on my personal Facebook wall. I am the owner of Shine with Gina B, a skincare and makeup company. And I am here this morning to show you how you can rid yourself of winter scaly lips and how you can get your lipstick to apply flawlessly without having all those cracks and crevices and little pieces of skin sticking up on your lips. I know if you're anything like me, as the winter months come on and as we delve into the cold, my lipstick application starts to get a little bit more difficult because I'll have these little pieces of skin on my lips that are drying and like curling up, and then when you go to put lipstick on, the lipstick like attaches to that skin, and if anybody was to look at your lips, you would see like these dark spots and hanging pieces of dry, dead skin, and it's really not attractive, and it hurts too. It hurts when our lips get that dry. But we have a solution for you, and it's what I love about my company, is that I am able to offer solutions. So one of the solutions, the main solution, is a lip exfoliator. Now I started grabbing for mine, it was probably right around the Halloween season, where I noticed my lips were starting to get that scaly, cakey, dry, cracking, hey Alicia, feeling to them. So I grabbed right away for my lip exfoliator. This is a seasonal Christmas peppermint lip exfoliator. This is made with sugar and shea butter. So the sugar is what exfoliates, the shea butter is what moisturizes, and my lips have improved dramatically since beginning this routine. We also carry this in an unflavored version. This is peppermint. This one right here is peppermint, and you can only get this right now. This came out, hey Krista, this came out last year during our Black Friday sale, and it is out again on sale only today, the peppermint flavor. So let me show you how this works. When you get this, it looks like a lipstick. It has like a pointed lipstick, but I have used mine to the death. That's why I need to get a new one today. Hey Kelly, I need to get a new one today. And it smells really good. It smells like peppermint. Here, smell it. Really fresh and clean. And you literally just kind of circle this on your lips like this. And you don't need a whole lot. And then you rub it around. And it's delicious. It tastes good because it's sugar and peppermint. And when you're doing this, it exfoliates all of that dead skin off of your lips. Now, if you're doing this at bedtime, you can just leave it like that, and it'll just melt off during the night when you sleep. But if you're doing it in the morning like I am, and you're getting ready to apply your lipstick, you just want to gently get this off of your lips. So you can just take like a little cotton thing, a little cotton round, and just kind of continue buffing that off a little bit. You can just take it and get in little circles. And get the bulk of the sugar off. Now the shea butter will sink into your lips, and that's what keeps them hydrated. And that's it. Now you have nice smooth canvas to start putting on your lipstick. So again, this is only available in a set today. The set today, you get the lip exfoliator and a splurge or a splash liquid lipstick in any color you want, but they are bringing out a beautiful metallic red today for the holidays. That's what I'm going to choose. But just as a demonstration, I'm going to show you the red that I have already, that I wish I could tell you the exact name of it, but I cannot read the colors on here. But this is a classic red, and I'm just going to use it today. But I'm going to order the new one, and I think the new one actually is a little bit softer of a red, to be honest. It looks in the pictures to be tamed down from this one, but the one that's available today is shinier. And this is a true red. Very pretty. Very Christmassy. And the best part, now that I had exfoliated, it goes on nice and smooth, and it's not catching. See that? It's not catching on skin anywhere. And I have flawless lips. So, go get you some today. This goes on sale at 9 o'clock. If you've been following my lives, you know every day our sale has sold out except one day, I think. Yesterday's, it was either yesterday's or the day before, sold out like in 17 minutes. So this will go on sale, the lip exfoliator and a splash liquid lipstick. That's $35 for both of them together, and it comes in a real pretty gift bag. So these are fabulous to give as gifts. I gave my boss this last year for Christmas. Her daughter stole it from her and used it all. Loved it, loved it, loved it. These make fabulous gifts. You can pick any color of the splash liquid lipstick that you want. We have like 14 different colors, plus the addition of the new color today. That'll be gorgeous for the holidays, more of like a foiled red color. That's what I'm going to be getting. So hop on. Try to get online about 8:45 this morning if you're interested in this. You'll get in a queue, but don't let that scare you. It'll look like there are thousands. The other day I had like 30,000 people ahead of me, but it's okay. The line goes really fast, and you get through. And that's how you get these super products. So, yeah, when I said 30,000 women at 9 in the morning trying to get these products. These are the products that women want, ladies. So hop online, $35. If you have any questions, let me know. You can choose either between the peppermint exfoliator, or if you prefer the unflavored one, you can get that as well. You can choose either one, and you can choose whatever color splash you want. Have a great day. God bless you. See you tomorrow morning.